What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to transform this photo to become this one. On the left side will be the picture of a beautiful and normal photo of a house, and after using the special prompt, this picture can be totally transformed into the under construction house over this several ants as the worker to transform or do the construction over this house. Isn't that cool, right? How to create this transformation? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So guys, the first step you can do, you can access this Nano Banana, and this is the tool that I used before to create this photo transformation, guys. However, if you would like to try another platform such as the Gemini AI or maybe the Dreamina or Queen AI and a lot of tools out there, you can go with it, and don't worry because I will also share you the prompt to create that transformation. And if you would like to try this Google AI Studio, then don't forget to do the login first with your email and click try Nano Banana. And after that, you can start to upload the picture or the file or the picture of your favorite house, for example. And after that, I will choose this one, and here I will put the prompt to create the transformations. And basically the prompt will be like this: transform a photo of a regular house transform a photo of a regular house into the construction scene where ants are the builders, like this. And also show several large black ants wearing the blue construction helmets and also actively working to build or repair the house. And also some ants should be carrying wooden planks, using the hammers, and also climbing the scaffolding, for example, or the ladder around the house. And also the house itself should appear under construction with the wooden beams, scaffolding tools, and also the construction material visible. This kind of the material. And also the background can be the feature of a warm sunset or golden hour lighting. You can actually adjust or modify this thing, but this can be the one of the important to see or to show the situation out there, and also creating a cinematic and imaginative atmosphere. And also the overall style should be realistic yet slightly whimsical and emphasizing creativity and detail. And also the keywords over here can be the construction site, miniature builders, and also detail texture, and also under construction house, creative fantasy, realism, and also macro scene and sunset lighting. So this is the prompt we have, and you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the result or output down here. And basically this is the same prompt that I used before to create this photo transformation, guys. And kindly wait for maybe 13 seconds or 14 seconds, and you will have the house is being under construction or under constructed by this working or builder ants. Isn't that cool, right? And after that you can start to download it. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section because we would love to see your comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.